had to run to Foodland and get milk, bread, and eggs before the blizzard hits. I've tried to tell Dr. Barnett and Mr. Kevin Dukes that they need to go ahead and release school. Nobody's listening to Big Mouth. I don't know what to tell you. Hey, I got the bread, milk, and eggs, baby. I got them at Foodland. Look. Foodland. Good stuff. All right. See you guys. This is my blizzard necessities. Check this out. Well, the necessities for Big Mouth, since he's on this carnivore, ain't milk, bread, and eggs. Well, I can eat the eggs and the bread, eggs and the milk. Here's what Big Mouth's eating. Oh, my Lanta. Don't you wish you was a carnivore? Salmon? No, that ain't salmon. That's tuna. Tuna, steak, and shrimp. Fixing to throw them in the... Oh, wild. Yeah, that's wild. Fixing to throw it in the air fryer and see how it does.